The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is a step-by-step 318-page colored book in both digital PDF and physical printed book. It teaches you how to use some natural growing plants to treat and cure the most common infections and diseases naturally. Inside you'll find 800+ beneficial plants and remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you can identify the right healing plant. Inside the Lost Book of Remedies you will also discover secret healing properties of the ordinary herbs as well as some household plants and some common plants that can be used as powerful painkillers as well as antibiotics. You will also find natural cures for various ailments such as inflammation, digestive issues, bleeding, fevers, and even remedies that could help manage your blood sugar if you are someone who suffers from type 2 diabetes. Who is the author of Lost Book of Herbal Remedies? Dr. Nicole Appelian is a mother, a herbalist, a biologist, a survival skills instructor, and an anthropologist who completed her bachelor's from McGill University. She lived in San Bushman of the Kalahari Desert to study plants and is known as the best for making powerful remedies for people facing many troubles regarding their health or who wants to live a healthier life. She has already helped thousands of people treat themselves naturally by following her holistic wellness advice and by using herbal remedies. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is divided into following 5 parts. In the first part, you'll discover about the medicines that you're already growing around your backyard. In the second part, you'll learn how to identify wild edibles and remedies from plants available in forests. In the third part, you'll discover the wild edibles identification and backyard medicines that grow, especially in prairie. In the fourth part, all medicinal and edible trees in North America are given in detail. In the last chapter, the conventional treatments that our grandparents used for illness and what role do these plants play in improving overall health is given. Here's just a glimpse of what you'll find in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. The powerful, relieving plant that's been spotted in many backyards and how to turn it into an extract that you can use when needed, on page 145, the most sought-out plant in a crisis, on page 119 yarrow and usnea plant, the perfect mix that can be used to stop bleeding and infection in times of crisis, on page 150, what happens when you pour salt into a cabbage, on page 54, the backyard tree syrup our grandparents used to make each spring whenever they had a sore throat, on page 215 the stomach band-aid, a tree called slippery elm helping soothe inflammation, on page 257 Native American ointment for back, knee, neck, shoulder, ankle and wrist well-being, on page 261 the leaf people should place in their shoes each morning that boosts your energy and helps with sore feet when you wear it inside your shoes. The plant our forefathers used that may help reduce nighttime bathroom trips, on page 256 the chromium plant you should consider adding to your salads to support normal blood sugar levels, on page 68 when you will download the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies guide you will also get following 2 free bonuses. Free bonus number 1, 80 square foot medicinal garden in your backyard, which helps you to plant, grow and harvest various medicinal plants in a very space. Free bonus number 2, the second book is the Everyday Disaster Medicine Guidebook, which could be very useful during a crisis as it's at times like these when medical aid may be difficult to acquire. How much does the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies cost? The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies provides 3 different ordering options that you can choose from. Option number 1, digital product to $37. Option number 2, physical plus digital product to $37 plus $8.99 shipping and handling. Option number 3, physical product to $37 plus $8.99 shipping and handling, money back guarantee. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is backed by a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee, so there is no risk involved on your part and you can purchase the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies risk-free with confidence. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies Testimonials. The Lost Book of Remedies is by far one of my better books. The book is very well written, fantastic colored illustration and easy to read. This book is amazing. I purchased 4. 1 for myself, 3 as gifts. This is a book you need to have. Seriously, I rarely write reviews. Doc Washburn, St. Louis, Mo. This is a must-have book for anyone interested in using herbs for health and well-being. I searched high and wide for a good plant identification book. Finally, I found it in this book. All of the other books I considered had drawings, which are so hard to use in a practical sense, instead of actual photos, like this one does. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for this wonderful resource. I've already shared it with others. What a bargain, at just $37, for both a digital and print copy. Denise L. Cayazzo, herbalist. For more details on the Lost Book of Remedies and to download it instantly with 2 free bonuses, click the link below in the video description.